On April 23, 2024, the defense filed a motion to compel and a motion for sanctions with the Carroll County Circuit Court at 2 p.m. The motion states that Richard Allen was arrested on October 28, 2022, and charged with 2 counts of murder. That same day, it says, was his initial hearing. And then Rosie and Baldwin entered their appearance on November 14, 2022. The state should have disclosed discovery by December 14, 2022. And then the motions for sanctions states that from September 6, 2023 to October 6, 2023, which would be about 9 to 10 months late, the prosecution finally sent 14 hard drives, 5 flash drives, 3 DVDs, and several emails with discovery disclosures amounting to almost 4 terabytes of information. Then right after the prosecutor sent all this, the prosecutor also requested that the defense be disqualified on October 10, 2023. And the court ordered the defense to stop working on the case on October 12, 2023. So they didn't work on it from then until January 19, 2024, when Rosie and Baldwin were reinstated. And the grossly disorganized discovery was returned much later on January 30th, 2024. Plus, more discovery the state had not sent to defense with the initial discovery. Most of the discovery was not labeled with any context or description. There was no order to it. Then on March 15th, 2024, newer discovery was sent to defense, again disorganized and mixed in with other discovery and some documentation that appears to be irrelevant to this case, but instead looks like evidence for a different case. The cell phone that was found at the scene was sent off for information on the phone to be extracted and downloaded in 2017. And the defense had to request that discovery on June 17, 2023, and was finally provided to the defense on September 8, 2023. The phone does contain a video that was said to be taken on February 13, 2017 at 2:13 p.m. of Abby and an apparent suspect. Then, in 2019, additional information was able to be extracted using different software programs as mentioned in depositions, but that has never been provided to defense either. There was some additional information that was taken from the cell phone and sent to the defense, but that needs a special program to open, and that information was never provided to the defense. There was a letter from Todd Click and an 83-page report that was sent by way of certified mail to McClelland on May 1st, 2023, and it took the prosecution 4 months to turn that over to the defense. The information contained in that letter, report, and a video is reported to be highly exculpatory. The defense says that if that information had been provided in a timely manner, they would have had done their investigation much differently and much more efficiently. The conditions under which Richard Allen is being kept prompted the defense to seek a speedy trial in an attempt to prevent the prison facilities and their mistreatment to cause further mental and physical deterioration of Mr. Allen. Richard Allen has been in solitary confinement for more than 16 months. The United Nations standard rules for the treatment of prisoners states that prisoners can't be kept in solitary confinement for prolonged periods of time, which is further defined as a period of 15 days or longer. And he's been in there over a year. The defense has information pointing to the fact that the prosecution still hasn't turned over all of the discovery, such as the data from the geofence warrant that was sent to Google on November 4th, 2019, and it appears the requested information was supplied to the state from Google on the same day. The defense states there's no chain of custody documents related to the magic bullet or the sticks, branches, and bark found at the scene. References to the Behavioral Analysis Unit, or the BAU, reports have been made. However, the defense can't locate any reports from the BAU or any other law enforcement concerning the assessment of the crime scene as it relates to Odinism or any other category under which the rituals would have been performed. So, in my humble opinion, the state has been, at best, totally incompetent in this, and pointing to the worst, totally fabricated information, and placed the defense at a huge disadvantage in themselves, too. And I have to say, as I was reading through these papers, my mind has changed a little bit to the fact that Richard Allen may be involved. However, if he was involved, the others need to be found, and everybody needs a fair trial, including Richard Allen. He's an American. He needs a fair trial, just as I would want to have, or you would want to have, or anybody would want to have, with a fair and impartial judge, which he certainly doesn't have. So on that note, I will say I appreciate you all and thank you for stopping by.